Hello students, today we will learn about acid, bases and salts. Right? In your previous classes you have learned that what are acids. Acids you have learned what are acids. Acids are salt in taste, and one more definition you can add. They are giving hydrogen ion or hydronium ion in their aqueous solution. In the aqueous solution, they gives hydrogen ion or hydronium ion. Right? There are two types of acid. The first one is mineral acid, which you have seen in the laboratory, like nitric acid, hydrochloric acid, sulfuric acid, etc. Another one is organic acid. Organic acid are like formic acid, right? It is found in antibite. You study in class 7. Citric acid. Citric acid is found in citrus fruit like lemon. There are many other examples also, right? On the other hand, if we talk about the bases are bitter in taste and they gives OH minus ion in the aqueous solution. Is it clear? Now, examples are like sodium hydroxide, potassium hydroxide, calcium hydroxide. They all are base, right? If we look into the similar properties similar properties. What are similar properties? The first one, they are colorless. Both they are colorless. Both they are corrosive in nature. And they are good conductor of electricity. They are good conductor of electricity. Is it clear, students? Now if we look into the different properties which differ. For example, acid turn blue litmus paper into red. The first difference you can see on the basis of litmus, and bases turn red litmus paper into blue. Let's see, I have an example. So this is a base solution I have, and base turn red litmus into blue. Let's see, let's have a look. Also you can see, and this is red litmus, right? So here I just put it over here. Let's see the changes, right? Are you able to see the changes? It is now changes into blue. More change you can see from far. It is clearly visible. Now it is changes into blue. Right, students? That means this is true. that base turns red litmus paper into blue. Similarly, I have another solution of an acid. Let's see whether it is turning blue into red or not. You can clearly see it is changing into red, right? So this is litmus paper test. Now in case of turmeric also, we can see I have a solution of turmeric solution. When we add acid into the turmeric solution, there is no change. There is no change. But when we add base into, just hold, when we add base into turmeric solution, let's see what is the change happened. Now it is changed into red. That means turmeric is also a natural indicator, which we can see here. Turmeric, right? There is no change in the solution, but when we are looking into, when we add base, it is changes into yellow to red. Here we have seen two examples. I hope it is clear about what are acids, what are base, and what are similar property of acids and base, and what are different properties of acids and base. Now we are moving ahead into the next part. Your next part is indicator. Indicator are the substance which change their color with acid and base. Either they change their color or they change their smell, right? So on the basis of these resources, there are three types. The first one which we are going to study is natural indicator. Natural indicator like litmus, right? Here if we look into acid, and there if we write base, right? So acid turn blue into red and bases turn red into blue. This is first. Just now we have seen the turmeric. This is also a natural indicator, right? Now turmeric, there is no change, and here it turn into red. Clear, students? Now third one is red cabbage, which is there is no change, red, and it change in the base solution. In the basic solution, it changes into green. Is it clear, students? Now there are next category that is called synthetic indicator. Just now we have seen the first one is pheolphthalein pheolphthalein, right? Pheolphthalein is colorless in acidic solution, but it changes into pink in basic solution. The next one is methyl orange, which is red in color in the acidic solution and yellow in the basic solution. The next category of indicator is olfactory indicator. Olfactory indicator means indicator which gives smell in different acid or bases, right? There are three. The first one is onion, right? Onion retain their smell in acidic solution, like in vinegar. When we put the onion, it retains its characteristic smell, right? But there is no smell when we add base into the solution, right? Similarly, clove oil, it also retains its characteristic smell, but there is no smell when we add a base solution. Similarly, vanilla essence, right? Vanilla essence retains its smell in acidic solution, whereas there is no smell when we add base into the vanilla essence. So till now we have studied about what are acids, what are base, what are similar properties of acid and base, what are different properties of acid and base, what are indicators, how many type of indicators are there, right? There are three type of indicator. The first one is natural, then synthetic, then olfactory. Is it clear, students? Now one more important reaction over which we need to talk is neutralization. Neutralization reaction. What are neutralization reaction? When acid mix with base, it gives salt plus water, and it is an example of exothermic reaction, means heat evolved. Is it clear? Example, sodium hydroxide is a base. When added into hydrochloric acid, gives sodium chloride plus water, right? And heat, since it is a exothermic reaction, so heat is also generated. I hope the concept of acid base is clear. Soon we will have next video over the next topic. Thank you.